The gloves are off is an idiom. Meaning, the phrase, the gloves are off, means that someone has stopped being polite or restrained and is now ready to fight, compete, or argue seriously. Origin. The idiom comes from boxing, where fighters wear potted gloves to reduce harm. When the gloves come off, the fight becomes real, raw, and dangerous, symbolizing that people are no longer holding back. Examples. After months of polite debate, the gloves are off in the election campaign. When her ideas were rejected, she took the gloves off and spoke her mind. The two companies used to be friendly, but now the gloves are off. Once the boss criticized his work, the gloves were off. He defended himself fiercely. The argument started calmly, but soon the gloves were off. Short story. The gloves are off. Mia and Jordan worked in the same advertising agency. For years they were friendly rivals, always smiling, always pretending to cheer each other on. But one day, the company announced a big promotion, and only one of them could get it. At first, their competition was polite. "May the best person win," Jordan said. "Of course," Mia replied with a grin. A week later, things changed. Jordan started working late, secretly taking clients. Mia found out and created her own bold campaign, directly challenging him. When the boss saw their rivalry, he laughed, "Well, I guess the gloves are off." Mia smiled. She was ready to fight, and this time, for real.